Creating welded structures can require creation of many components and exhaustive work in trimming back each member to fit. Let's take a look at how Solidworks helps you tackle this. From a basic sketch of the frame, you can choose from hundreds of section profiles based on international standards. Use these standards or easily create your own. Select a profile and size. Solidworks will populate any line selected with the appropriate geometry. Not only will Solidworks create the frame, but it will also attempt to trim each member based on your corner treatment section. Weld gaps are also supported at any joint. If individual treatment is needed, simply pick the pink dot to select the required end treatment and weld gap. Now to select the rest of the sketch to create the main structure of the shelter. With a single feature and not much time, 11 frame members have been created already. Smaller members are required so the same steps can be taken to quickly generate the rest of the structure. As we created the structure with different member profiles, manual trimming is needed to cut back each member to the appropriate length. Based on corner type, you can select the members to be trimmed and then the trimming boundary, where Solidworks will cut to quickly cut back the frame to fit. Weld gaps can also be added at this stage. Here you can see how the sections have been trimmed to meet the main post. Using the same trimming tool, notches can be automatically cut into members, ensuring they fit into surrounding geometry. Again, a quick look at the joint and you can see how the members have been cut back to fit. Design change is important. In the same way you would edit a feature like extrude or revolve, you can change the section profile type, corner treatment, weld gap, or angle. Here you can see that the square section was changed to rectangular and rotated 90 degrees. Instant 3D can also be used to make edits on the fly. As you can see the change happen, decisions about the size of the structure can be made quicker. Solidworks Weldments uses multiple bodies in a part file to enable quick creation and editing of welded structures. Solidworks applications provide great capabilities you can use right away for design, simulation, communication, and file management to work faster and make your products better. Explore all the features in the demo library or contact your nearest Solidworks reseller.